break to everybody. What's the most physical scene y'all have done? Like, I would expect getting your spine ripped out would hurt a little bit. And I know
that was a ruthless scene.
That was
like great. And then what he said after that, I got your back.
Yeah, we threw that line in there. That wasn't scripted. Yeah, we were just me and Marvin were having fun on that day. We were just ripping like, what's a fun little line that Tobias would say like, I always said I got your back, or hey, we were just coming up with different stuff, having a good time. It was a bloody mess, like on the day, because Salim was directing that one too. And yeah, Salim was directing that one, and I was just saying like, more blood, give me more blood to come out. You're gonna love it, you're gonna love it, it's gonna be great. And Salim is like, after we got done filming it, he was like, alright, we'll see if CW lets it pass. Our response was, hey, CW, dare to fire, there we go. And then what was great though is that Legends, they had their trailer come out where the unicorn stabbed a woman straight through the chest. So I was like, hey, Salim, I think we're good. I think we're gonna be all right.
Who hasn't seen that scene, at least that scene? Who hasn't seen that scene?
Seen them both.
You know what? The season 3 trailer is out. Yes, because I watched it myself personally in my room.
Of what?
Season 3, Google it right now. Season 3, and it does include that scene. But they do flash back, of course, season 2. They do include that scene where he literally had Khalil basically up on the ceiling and just rips. And I'm sitting here looking, it's like, wow, they showed all of that because they're showing him spineless now, and so season 3 trailer, right? Yeah.
I remember, I don't know if it was like, it was physical because it was really hard to get through, but for the show, it was like the first reveal of your new suit, And,
Will you beat me up?
No, your new
Oh, that was the most challenging for me.
Yeah, we worked out, Feast and I, we worked out one night under this bridge. It was freezing. Like freezing. And for the actors, like the crew, they, because they're not on camera, so they can just completely stay bundled up the entire time.
Woo.
And then for us, it's like, well, you gotta take the coats off.
And you're playing a superhero, so you
can't look cold. You gotta look cold. You gotta look like, yeah, what? It was like it was going through your bones freezing. It was. I remember like they had like little fireplaces, moving spots, and they would get us into a van in between takes. And I remember you were in the van, and I was like by a heater. And they were like, okay, we're ready to go. And I'm like, the Feast, get out of the van. And you were like, you go. I'm like, no, you go. Like, it was like, oh, get away from this heater when you walk out that van. It was like half joking, half serious. I'm like, look, I'm number 1 in the call sheet. It hurt. That's how cold it was.
It was brick. Y'all heard the term brick? It's so cold, you feel like bricks are hitting you. It was really challenging for me because it was a really important episode for my character. It was the reveal, and Oz, one of our directors and showrunners, he goes, come on, give us that Nafisa walk. And I was like, Oz, I can't give it to you tonight. And it's like, you gotta, when you hear action, like everything has to just, you throw everything away, and it is beautiful when you're an actor. You can be freezing cold, you can be sick, but when you hear action, you throw everything away and you really engulf yourself in that moment. But that night was hard as hell to do.
It was so.
And we're both in our costumes, and you gotta look super,
Yeah, because we're about to go fight, and like they got to do the slow motion walk, and oh.
That's my most challenging day of filming to date. Like literally, like it was the weather. It was just we were under a wind tunnel, so it was January wind tunnel. It was a lot. Yeah, that was the day for me.
Yeah, I mean that's the challenging thing as an actor. It's like that. It is a 24/7 job. You film all day, and then you go home and you take your work